Dreame L50 Pro Ultra is a high-performance robotic vacuum cleaner designed for comprehensive home cleaning. Key features include exceptional suction power, boasting 19,500 pascals of suction. It ensures thorough cleaning across various surfaces. Advanced navigation, equipped with dual flex arm and EasyLeap technology, it effortlessly navigates obstacles up to 4 centimeters. The VersaLift laser navigation system enables precise environmental scanning and cleaning under low-clearance furniture. Enhanced mop maintenance, the AceClean DryBoard system, with 20 spray nozzles and a removable filter, optimizes mop cleaning and minimizes odors. Tangle-Free Hair Removal, the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush system, featuring specialized air ducts and dual brushes, effectively prevents hair entanglement, making it ideal for homes with pets or long-haired individuals. Optimized Cleaning System, the device has a renewed technology that optimizes its performance in comparison with previous models. These features collectively position the Dreame L50 Pro Ultra as a sophisticated and efficient solution for automated home cleaning.